after a 2017 rich in innovation and symbolically strong with a model that pays tribute to the past of the house, a special 70th anniversary edition called Inspiration 1947 and a connected model evoking the future of Michel Herbelin, the Newport Connect. This year at Baselworld, they celebrated the 30th anniversary of this iconic model of the French family business. On the brand stand in Basel, there were the Newport models, yes, but also a new generation with a totally reworked look.
In light of our 30th anniversary of our Newport, we decided to overhaul the model to modernize it. It's now inspired by stealth ships and not just pleasure boats. So we have a model that's much more in touch with today's time, with modern lines, waterproof down to 100 meters, with sapphire crystal and specific mechanical movements.
Among the major novelties of 2018, 2 new men's models in an edition limited to 500 copies. We note here the central fasteners are deeper than the old models, and as for the special edition bracelet, it is dressed in FKM rubber that replaces the usual leather.
For men, we have 2 novelties, a 3-hand date version and a tri-compax chronograph, both with a brushed unilateral carbon dial. As you can see on the model, we have more pronounced facets. Before, the models were much more round, softer. Today, the design is much more pronounced. The bezel is thicker, stronger, whether on the men's models in limited edition, like here, with a carbon dial, or the skeleton ladies model, specially made for Michel Herbelin. So we can see that Newport has today entered the 21st century.
A magnificent ladies model as well, also in limited edition.
This ladies model is limited to 300 copies with a skeleton mechanical movement specially developed for Michel Herbelin that subtly takes the details of a ship's wheel. We decided to use the skeleton for the ladies model because it gives a very shiny aspect, a bit like a piece of jewelry.
A jewelry watch with a price tag of 1,990 euros. Special anniversary models that we could then see on the wrist of a few lucky fans. Among them, the first ambassador of the tricolour brand. His name, Guillaume Gerbois. His profession, mixologist. The idea of the collaboration, promote throughout the world a certain idea of the French touch. During a particularly festive evening, Guillaume Gerbois also created a first Michel Herbelin cocktail to mark the 30th birthday of the Newport model. A mix of coconut water, absinthe, an elderflower to express the French roots of the company, with a blue color to recall the visual identity of the Newport. Herbelin sees life in blue, and we can only congratulate them.